Okay, so I was trying to see how the drawers like lock into this desk, and so the top one has this metal thing on the end. Let me get it out in just a second. Okay, so I have them all taped up, but the top one has like this straight metal piece. See how it's kind of just like a triangle metal piece at the end, and the others, you can't see it because it's in the tape. Just a second. So I tape them up, trying to be all clever so I don't lose pieces. Okay, so then the other drawers have the metal pieces with the hook at the end, okay? So when the top drawer is in, it locks the other ones into place with the hook. I couldn't figure out how. So then when I turned it upside down, how can I show you this? Just a second. Okay, so there's like, down here, there's these little screws. So apparently what happens is the top one just basically forces this whole bar down and locks the rest into place. Pretty cool. Problem is, when the metal part is on the top drawer, it goes in really, really hard. It slides in hard. So I'm trying to figure out, I mean, I've tried to put some WD-40, but I don't think that's going to make it glide in pretty smoothly. It has to have so much pressure to make that wood piece jam down and lock the others in to keep it on. So we'll see. I might put the lock back on. I might just leave it off, but it is pretty cool. It's a pretty simple, cool feature. It seems pretty old. I found a stamp on the desk saying it's from a bank in, I took a picture of it. It's on one of these drawers. Oh, a bank in Vicksburg, Mississippi. So pretty cool. Obviously, it's got a lot of layers of paint on it, so I don't know if I'm actually going to be able to see where it was made, who made it. But so far, that's what I found out about it, and it's a pretty cool little piece.